Privet Earthlings. You've arrived at Zyrgon-7, the galaxy's 5-star dining experience where the ingredients may or may not try to eat you first. I'm L-Vega, your guide to intergalactic gastronomy, and today we're cooking with ingredients so alien, they'll make your grandma's meatloaf look prehistoric. Today's menu features two of Zyrgon-7's finest exports, the Nebulabeast and the Glowhorn Lumiflora. Not only do they look like something straight out of a sci-fi fever dream, but they're also so nutrient-packed you might just develop the strength to rearrange planetary orbits. Let's get cooking. Zyrgon-7 is a chef's dream. Thanks to its low gravity and nitrogen-rich atmosphere, the creatures here have evolved into walking superfoods. First up, meet the Nebulabeast, a majestic, semi-aquatic mammal that looks like a jellyfish and a cow had a glowing baby. It's rich in omega-7 fatty acids, which are great for brain power and make you smarter than your cousin who still thinks Greenland is a country. Doesn't it look like something out of a cosmic fairy tale? Well, spoiler alert, it tastes even better than it looks. Now, let's dive into the anatomy of this magnificent creature. The Nebulabeast has three primary culinary treasures. First, the luminescent loin, packed with phosphorescent enzymes. This cut is not just tender but practically glows on your plate. It's rich in omega-7 fatty acids, perfect for keeping your skin radiant. Second, the stellar ribs. These ribs are like the space-age version of Earth's barbecue staples, low in fat but bursting with that juicy umami goodness. Trust me, one bite and you'll forget about your favorite steakhouse back home. And number 3, the bioluminescent jelly membrane. This is where the magic happens. High in L-Vega, an amino acid that promotes muscle recovery, this jelly melts into a sauce that can take any dish to the next level. And did you know the Nebulabeast thrives by eating bioluminescent plankton? That's like nature's way of saying, hey, eat me, I'm a superfood. As the steam rises, we're activating cryolume purification. This is a process where high-frequency sound waves gently break down bioluminescent enzymes, turning that intense blue into a soft, celestial hue. It neutralizes the alien proteins, making them not only edible but downright irresistible. It's infused with stellar mist, a nutrient-rich, oxygenated gas that preserves the loin's tenderness while enhancing its flavor profile. We've prepared several stunning steaks, each with its own cosmic character. Look at that texture, juicy, velvety perfection. This loin is packed with L-Vega for muscle recovery and phospholum to boost your energy. Nebula tartare. Luminous elegance, this raw delicacy highlights the translucent muscle fibers of the Nebulabeast, finely chopped and paired with a Glowhorn Lumiflora seed pod dressing. Astral soup, our signature soup, is a true marvel of futuristic cooking. Using Nebulabeast cartilage, we pressure-infused it in a zero-gravity hydrogel chamber to extract its creamy, phosphorescent essence without losing a single nutrient. Nebula sushi. Instead of earthly rice, we're using bioluminescent roe harvested from the Nebulabeast's nutrient-rich reproductive sacs. Don't worry, it's as delicious as it is sustainable. Now it is time to embark on a gastronomic exploration of the Glowhorn Lumiflora, a fascinating specimen from the luminous swamps of Zyrgon-7. While its appearance may conjure images of an exuberant coral reef meeting an avant-garde chandelier, I assure you its culinary merits far outweigh its theatrical aesthetics. The Glowhorn Lumiflora is a botanical and predatory hybrid, uniquely adapted to its phosphorescent ecosystem. Its seed pods, vibrant orange orbs glowing with an almost conspiratorial charm, are not merely decorative. These seed pods are a carefully evolved mechanism for reproduction. Each pod contains the genetic blueprint of the Lumiflora, wrapped in nutrient-dense layers designed to entice the planet's phosphorescent moths, its primary pollinators. Each pod is a compact repository of essential nutrients, boasting a rare combination of B12, D, and alien carotenoids. These compounds, unique to Zyrgon-7, are known to enhance human vision, fortify the immune system, and, dare I say, add a touch of glow to your very being. Imagine the zest of the finest citrus fruit combined with the subtle sweetness of honeydew, and you have a taste that feels simultaneously familiar and otherworldly. These pods are best flash roasted to caramelize their natural sugars. When preparing the seed pods, one must first extract them with care, ensuring their delicate phosphorescent membranes remain intact. A slight incision near the pod's base will allow it to separate cleanly. The remaining stalk and bioluminescent sap channels are then sectioned in one fluid motion, revealing a mesmerizing lattice of glowing veins. Moving to the muscular stalk, don't let its fibrous texture deceive you. Once properly prepared, this component offers a delightful balance of tenderness and bite, akin to calamari, though infinitely more refined. It is best suited for grilling or quick searing to retain its delicate bioluminescent shimmer. Finally, we come to the bioluminescent sap. This viscous, citrusy nectar is an absolute marvel of natural engineering, extracted through a process of controlled thermal pulsation. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic culinary adventure. Remember, Earthlings, the galaxy is full of flavors waiting to be discovered. Next time, we'll dive into the mysterious forests of Zyrgon-7 for some truly wild recipes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, or I'll send the Nebulabeast after you.